You want spaghetti? Oh. Ooh. What's good, loyal gang? Hey, we back in this thing with another video. So I'm gonna move this out the way right quick. I'll put this over here. Boom, bada, bing. So I'm just gonna talk and do this at the same time, cause you know y'all know Lily, she don't like wait on nothing. Okay. I thought you wanted spaghetti. All right, so I keep spaghetti like this. All right. All right. Let me get it situated for you. Or should I? You want your own spoon? All right. So let me put this right here, okay? All right. Let me chop it like this. Ooh, it got some cheese on there. So you know we got this. We got Jollibee. Y'all know that this is her favorite. Yeah, I'm chopping it up. I'm trying to make sure you don't choke on the noodle. There you go. So the last time we did the Jollibee video, I ended up getting like spicy, and then I was getting the original. But the spicy was too spicy, and then I think some of the spice got onto the original, so it was too hot to eat. So this time I just got all original, so it's nice and. Oh, you done ate the chicken already? Oh, you ain't playing no game. All right. We're going to turn that off very quick. Oh, okay. So a lot of the comments was like, where's Leah Lee? You know what I'm saying? Just every time, you know, that's all we seen through the comments. Like, where's Lily at? Where's Lily at? So it's a little update. Where she been? You been chilling? You been having fun? It's been the summertime. So you been playing with your sisters, your cousin. You want some more chicken? Okay, you ain't playing with game. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me try to multitask. So, if y'all didn't know, 2 weeks ago she was sick, and then you know she felt better, and then I think we told you she was starting school again. So, you know we had to prepare for that. You know, so we had to get on a sleeping schedule because she didn't have a sleeping schedule. You know, because she wasn't in school. So we had to get a sleeping schedule for her. Slow down, they ain't going nowhere. They ain't going nowhere. They ain't going nowhere. So now she at first, like the first week of school was a little rough for her, but you know, she had to get used to it, and now she loves going to school. So she's, you know, going to school, playing with her sisters, playing with her cousins. This Friday's gonna be her first time going to a water park, so that's gonna be interesting. Yeah, it's gonna be her first time going to the water park. You ready to swim? And go down the slides? Mm-hmm. Wanna put some gravy on that? So that's what I'm gonna do. I put it like, I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna put a little right here. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Put it right there. Oh, that's gonna change the game right there. So this is what you're gonna do. You gonna, it's on the chicken right here. You're gonna scoop it up. Takes that right down. Oh yeah, that thing. Oh, you want some more? That thing good, ain't it? Ooh, that. Oh, I'm telling you, that gravy gonna change the game up right though. Yeah. Oh, look at you, just tearing the meat up. Okay. Okay. Look at you. Want some more gravy? All right. I gotta put some more chicken on there so I can put the gravy on there. All right. So she goes to school every day. So by the time she gets off from school, I go pick her up and stuff like that. It's late, and sometimes you know she been at school all day, so she really doesn't want to do any videos. So she be tired and stuff like that. So she'll tell me that she wanna go night. So you know right now she's just been enjoying. That's why we haven't been posting. So that's why we haven't been posting with her. She's just been enjoying her time during the summer. You know, just having a good old time. If you don't know about me and Liz here situation, we're getting ready to move. So we're doing that. So we're doing a lot of packing. So it's just been busy. So we've just been everywhere, you know. So that's why we really haven't been recording. So everything's all good with Lily. She's having fun, taking trips. She's eating really good now. As y'all can see, she's tearing it up right now. That thing good, ain't it? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Go. That's how you get it. Let me show you how to do it. That's good, ain't it? Let me know if you guys want to see you know, her get ready. Like when she's getting ready for school and stuff like that. Let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely do that. Starting to get ready when she does what she eats in the morning and stuff like that. And I definitely record that for y'all so y'all can see. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Oh man, I forgot to put the bib on you. Yeah, you just messed your clothes up. Oh man, you getting your chain dirty. Yeah. Let me see this so I can put it on there. Oh yeah, put that on there right there. Put that on there right there. Look at that. Ooh, that's how you just got drizzling on like that. Ooh. Oh, good job. We tore that whole spaghetti up. You want some more spaghetti? Oh, okay. She ain't playing, y'all. Hey, she been eating, man. I'm telling y'all. Spaghetti, your favorite? Is that your favorite food? It is? Yeah, she loves some Jollibee spaghetti, man. You want, what do you want? You want more sauce? I mean, more gravy? Ooh. There you go. You ready to go down the slide on Friday? Get on the slide? The water slide? Your family been missing you. You want to tell them what you be doing at school? What you be doing at school? What you be doing at school? Your cousin be at school? You be seeing them at school too? Actually, I'm gonna dip this inside. Oh man. Oh man. You want a bite? You got your own chicken on the side over there. Bite. There you go. Big bite. Woo, woo. That thing good. That thing's so good. That thing's good. Yeah, it's really good. Ooh. You got a little spicy. What am I gonna do with it? Oh, I see what you're trying to do. You want me to feed you gravy. You can't eat it like that. It's locked. Let me get a napkin for your mouth. Yeah. Want some water? Want some water? All right, let's get some water. Big girl cup. Can you burp with it? Go. Huh? Yeah, no worries. My water down here. Just dip that in right though. Oh yeah. Jump. There you do. There you go. That's how you do it. Wipe them out like that. Hmm? There you go. We ain't got no more drums? Yeah, that's food that you put on my pants. And then you just rubbing your feet on it. Love me some kisses. It's hot. It's a little spicy. I thought it was me. I don't know, I think the chicken just be a little spicy sometimes. Yeah. I would be trying to put the gravy on there, kind of get it out. Della. You want that water to kind of wash it down? Go ahead and wash that spice down real quick. It got a little zing to it, don't it? Yep. You get the water and splash it down. All done? Yeah, you made a big mess. Hmm? Oh, you want some of them? You want that one? You're scared over here. There you go. I got two of them. What, that? Ain't nothing in there. No, it's empty. Yeah, that's all empty. They ain't drunk it all. You got all your food. Good job. Top 5. Yeah, what I'm talking about. Yeah. It's a tongue. This? Alright. Oh, that's a long noodle. Yeah. What it is? A noodle? Yeah. That was a long noodle, but I had to chop it up for you. There you go. That thing good. Ooh. That noodle almost came back up. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie to you, that noodle almost came up. Got some dude. Oh! You put a noodle in my mouth. You want another noodle? Oh yeah. We're gonna eat all my noodles, huh? There you go. So good. What is that? What is that? Where Mommy? That's the door. Mommy downstairs. Yeah. Mommy downstairs. Want some water? Y'all, I'm gonna try to get her to say that thing good. Let me see if I can get her to say it. Good job. Good job. Good job. High five. Drink all your water and eat all your food. Pete. I give you 2 cookies. I give you 2 cookies if you can say that thing good. Say that thing good. Mwah. Was that a book? Yeah. Was that a book? Yeah, your hand's dirty. Oh, yeah. That's delicious. That's wet. Yeah. 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 That was good. All gone. Yep. Oh, you got one more in there? Oh, that. Oh, good. Oh, y'all done? All done? Oh, you got a couple more? Okay, there you go. That's how you clean the plate. There you go. That's how you clean that plate. Okay. 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 Don't stop playing with you. Okay, big girl. Hey, I'm a big 2. There you go. Ooh. Oh yeah, I gotta give you some dessert. I gotta give you some dessert. Hey, I gotta give you dessert. Your hand dirty too. Yeah, your hand. This from you. Yeah, I'm not saying your hand. Look at your hand. Your hand dirty too. Yeah, that's that chicken right now. Wipe your mouth real quick. There you go. Yeah. That's your family. Your family had missed you. It was like, where Lily at? We want to see Lily. Where Lily at? Alright, y'all. So if you enjoyed the video, if y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, turn your post notifications on so you not miss a video from us. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Because you got to take a bath and get ready to get into bed. Okay? Okay? So you're going to act like you don't hear me. You going to tell them bye?
No.
Go ahead and tell them bye. Y'all heard that, right? Y'all heard that. What'd you say? You going to tell them bye? Talking about she don't want to. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Why? All right, say see you later.
No.
I say bye-bye.
No.
Say I love you.
No. Open it. Open. Open.
All right. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in the next one.
Open.
There you go. That thing good. Take that stuff up. Look at that. You done ate all your spaghetti. You ate about 2 chickens. And then there's only a little bit of spaghetti left. Yeah. Your stomach growing. Oh, you go, okay. Picking the chicken up, biting it.
I'm fine.
Huh?
I'm fine.
Oh, you showing up today.
No.
That's that chicken right there. That's the meat right there. That's the skin. The skin is the best part. Yeah? You don't want it?